So today we're going to be planting our pepper plants. I grew, let's see, how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 different types of pepper plants. That's weird. Anyways, so I grew the Moscow chili. Those are a hot roasting pepper developed in Pueblo, Colorado. So they're supposed to do really well here. And those are from, I'll have to put the company down on the screen. I want to say it's Desert Seeds, and they're based in Pueblo, Colorado. I also did Camfram Hot, and those are from the same company, developed in Pueblo. They're just a hot pepper, and Andy's hoping to make hot sauce out of them. And then, let's see, Sweet Kevin's Orange, and those are from Baker Creek. And then Mini, it's a sweet pepper. It's called Mini Yum Yum. So they're supposed to be little peppers, and those are from Gurney's. And then our hot pepper mix, and that mix is from Gurney's as well. Let's see. And so I'm going to plant them in this row, and I might put tomato cages around them. I might not. I'm not sure. And so I think I'll turn on the time lapse for you, and then at the end we'll go through and I'll tell you where I planted everything. So here we go. Okay, so I got them all planted. So right here on this side of the bed, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 Kevin's Sweet Orange Bells. And then we'll walk around to the other side. And I have 3 of the hot pepper mix. And then I got 1 sweet pepper Mini Yum Yum. And then we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 Camfram Hots. And then we got 3 Moscow chili hot roasting peppers. And I planted those a little back. Because I was thinking about putting some cilantro in the front. And then I also left some space in between, just so I could tell the difference between, since I've never grown the Moscows or the Camframs before. Cufram, however you say that. I wanted to put like something in between just to make sure I knew which was which, and they didn't like blend into the others. So those are our peppers. And hopefully, I've heard it's better to wait until nighttime temperatures are like 50 degrees or higher. And I did my best to wait, but we're still going to get down into the mid 40s. So we'll see. And then if it's really detrimental to my peppers, then next year I'll make sure and wait. But that would be like mid-June before, on a typical year, it would be mid-June before I would get to plant my peppers out. And I'm tired of trying to keep them alive inside and pest-free. And so I'll just take my chances outside and hopefully we get some. So, okay, we'll see you next time.